to sit here in the morning. That's facing east. I watch the sun come up, enjoy the garden. Hummingbirds come in the morning and love all the flowers. But I'm losing my view because this camellia is just getting too large. So today's chore is to go out and prune the camellia back. And I'm going to show you just how I do that. So see all the light green versus the dark green? That's all the new growth. So if you look at a stem, a branch, you see where it's forked and all that light green. That's fresh this year. That's just since the spring growth. It's dark where my hand is and it changes color right there. That's where I had cut it last fall, and this is all new fresh growth this year. So I'm going to trim this back. I get it back away from my window there so I get a better view out my front window. And where we're going to trim is back behind all this new growth. So here's an example right here. That's all the new growth out there. I'm going to trim it back in here. And I go a little at a time. I can always take more as I work, but we start by just taking a little bit, and we cut right by a leaf. So you cannot really distinguish the end of the branch that way. It kind of hides it. That way the bush does not look like it's been just chopped away. I really don't like when you see gardens that they come through with those hedge pruners. Those hedge pruning tools, they cut leaves, they leave the plant looking really butchered, and I want this to look neat and clean. So that's the approach. Here we go. I try to stay neat and organized as I go. Throw them in a container, not wait to the end to clean everything up. That way if I get called off for some other reason, my yard is staying neat and fresh looking. I don't have a big cleanup task. Okay, yeah, that's good. So you get the idea, right? There we go. My window's clear of the shrubbery there. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So I've gone around the whole thing. Yeah, look at that. Nice, clear view now. The camellia is out of the way of the window.